How to not get banned or removed from Amazon Associates program. Now, if you don't want to get banned or removed from the Amazon Associates program, you just simply need to know about the policies or the rules of Amazon Associates program. In order to know that, simply go over browser and search for Amazon Associates policies. Then open this first link which appears from the Amazon Associates, which says Associates Program Policies. After opening this one, you need to carefully read through all of these policies and know what might get you banned or removed from the policies, and strictly follow the rules of the Amazon Associates. And after following the rules of the Amazon Associates, the chance of you getting banned or removed from the Amazon Associates will really narrow down. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.